short and sweet. Hello folks, Wikipedia is a massive project. With its millions of articles in over 300 languages, it is part of the history of humanity. Banning the access to Wikipedia is an open attack against humanity and the value of knowledge. I don't need to explain the importance of Wikipedia to you. I'd rather like to invite you to contribute to Wikipedia. The main reason for people to not contribute is the overwhelming amount of knowledge in Wikipedia. How could I ever dare contributing to it? Another reason for not editing Wikipedia articles is the belief that Wikipedia is being written by an elite, competent group of authors. Well, there is no privileged group of editors and authors whatsoever. Tens of thousands of people have contributed over the last 25 years, most of them anonymously or with nicknames, unknown people, unpaid of course. But how about the overwhelming knowledge in Wikipedia? Believe it or not, Wikipedia is full of flaws and weaknesses. This does not mean it's wrong, but it does have flaws. In all languages of Wikipedia, you often find problems. My advice is short and direct. Once you find a missing comma, a misspelled word, a wrong quotation, or a source which does not work anymore, please do edit it. You don't need an account for it, just click on the Edit tab which you see on every Wikipedia page. Once you're done with the edit, preview and then save the changes. And apart from that, photos and illustrations are always welcome. But that's for another video. Thanks for your time. Bye.